Ever wondered how PoopSmart Clerk could help you get reimbursed for septic system inspections, pumping, or repairs? Super Poppy is here to help. The PoopSmart Clerk program has two arms, the Major Repairs and Replacement program and the Inspection, Pumping, and Minor Repairs program. These programs have different requirements and reimbursement amounts. To apply for either program, you just need to fill out the Septic System Reimbursement Program sign-up form, available on poopsmartclerk.org. Our team will then email you back to confirm your eligibility for your selected program. For the minor program, all you need to do after being confirmed is complete your eligible service, submit your paid receipts to the septic reimbursement form on poopsmartclerk.org, and you will receive a check in the mail within 45 days. The major program requires a 2 to 3 month review process before work can begin. First, you'll meet with our staff to determine financial eligibility. Then, our team will visit your site to verify your application information. Clark CD and the Washington Department of Ecology will then complete an administrative review of the project. Once approved, we'll sign a contract with you and you can hire a licensed OSS contractor to start eligible service. And that's it. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email the PoopSmart Clerk team. Let's help protect our waterways from pollution together.